Hello, wealth-wise aficionados. Welcome back to the channel where we unravel the mysteries of financial success. If you're yearning to break free from the monotony of the traditional 9-to-5, you're in for a treat today. I'm your host, and in this episode, we're delving into the universe of remote work, uncovering not just jobs you can do from home, but the secret ones your employer might not want you to know about. But before we spill the beans, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Let's dive in. Number 1. Virtual Assistant. Our first stop on this remote journey is the realm of virtual assistants. Many companies, both large and small, are increasingly outsourcing administrative tasks to virtual assistants. From managing emails and appointments to handling customer inquiries, a virtual assistant is the unsung hero of remote work. With a growing demand for virtual support, the opportunities in this field are practically boundless. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your home, in your PJs if you wish. Imagine being the go-to person for a busy executive, handling their schedule, organizing meetings, and ensuring their day runs like clockwork, all while sipping your favorite coffee at your home office. The remote virtual assistant role not only provides flexibility but also a chance to showcase your organizational prowess. Being a virtual assistant isn't just about answering calls. It's about becoming the right hand to businesses in need. Your employer might not want you to discover this secret, but it's time to unlock the potential of a virtual assistant career. Embrace the freedom to work independently, and who knows, you might find yourself managing tasks for clients worldwide. Number 2. Online tutoring. Next up, we have the world of online tutoring. If you possess expertise in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and make a living doing it? Online tutoring platforms have skyrocketed in popularity, providing a flexible way to teach and learn without the constraints of a traditional classroom setting. Whether it's math, language, or coding, the digital world is your classroom, and your potential students are just a click away. Becoming an online tutor isn't just about transferring knowledge. It's about creating an interactive and engaging learning experience for your students. Picture helping someone halfway across the globe master a new language or conquer complex math problems, all from the comfort of your home. This secret remote job not only allows you to set your own hours, but also opens up avenues for you to share your passion and expertise with a global audience. Your employer might not want you to realize the potential of online tutoring, but the truth is, it's a fulfilling and lucrative remote job that empowers both educators and learners. Embrace the digital classroom and break free from the limitations of traditional teaching. Number 3. Social Media Manager. Now, let's talk about the power of social media. Companies today are in a race to establish and maintain a robust online presence. This is where a skilled social media manager comes into play. If you're someone who knows their way around hashtags, memes, and engaging content, this could be your ticket to a remote career. Picture this: creating content, engaging with audiences, and growing brands, all from the coziness of your own home. It's a job your employer might not want you to know about, but we've got you covered. Being a social media manager isn't just about posting tweets or Instagram stories. It's about crafting a brand's digital narrative. From devising social media strategies to analyzing engagement metrics, you'll be the architect of a company's online identity. The remote nature of this job not only allows you to work from anywhere with a stable internet connection, but also provides the flexibility to adapt to different time zones. Your employer might want to keep this remote secret under wraps, but the truth is, social media management is a dynamic and rewarding career that allows you to shape the online presence of businesses across industries. Dive into the world of digital storytelling and discover the remote opportunities awaiting you. Number 4. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing could be your golden ticket to the remote work paradise. Businesses are constantly in need of quality content for their websites, blogs, and marketing materials. The beauty of freelance writing lies in its flexibility. You get to set your own schedule, work on projects you're passionate about, and all from the comfort of your favorite writing nook. Whether you're a seasoned wordsmith or just starting out, there's a plethora of freelance opportunities waiting for you to explore. Imagine crafting compelling articles, blog posts, or even ebooks while enjoying the freedom to choose your working hours. As a freelance writer, you're not just a wordsmith. You're a storyteller, a communicator, and a problem solver. Your words have the power to inform, entertain, and persuade, and the remote nature of this job allows you to unleash your creativity from anywhere in the world. Your employer might not want you to realize that freelance writing is a lucrative and fulfilling remote career. But the truth is, it's an industry that thrives on talent and diversity. Take the leap into the world of remote writing and discover the boundless opportunities that await you. Number 5. Remote graphic design. Calling all creatives. Graphic design is a field that has embraced the remote work revolution with open arms. With the ever-growing demand for visually appealing content, businesses are constantly in need of talented graphic designers. From logo design to marketing materials, your artistic skills can be put to use in a remote capacity. Imagine collaborating with clients from around the world, all while enjoying the freedom to work from wherever your creative juices flow best. As a remote graphic designer, you're not just creating visuals. You're crafting the visual identity of brands. Whether it's designing a sleek logo that captures a company's essence or creating eye-catching marketing materials that tell a story, your work has a direct impact on how businesses present themselves to the world. The remote nature of this job not only allows you to break free from the confines of a physical office, but also encourages a collaborative and global approach to design. Your employer might not want you to discover the vast potential of remote graphic design, but the truth is, it's a career that allows you to turn your passion into a profession. Dive into the world of digital aesthetics and explore the remote possibilities that await you. Number 6. Remote data entry. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty data entry. It might not sound glamorous, but it's a remote job that's often overlooked. Many companies outsource data entry tasks, and if you're detail-oriented, this could be a great fit for you. It's a straightforward job that allows you to work from the comfort of your home office. You can bid farewell to the commute and hello to a career where your keyboard is your primary tool. Data entry isn't just about inputting numbers and details. It's about ensuring accuracy and maintaining the integrity of valuable information. As a remote data entry professional, you'll be the guardian of databases, spreadsheets, and essential records. The nature of this job allows you to focus on precision without the distractions of a bustling office environment, making it an ideal remote opportunity for those who thrive in a quiet, organized setting. Your employer might not want you to realize the untapped potential of remote data entry, but the truth is, it's a critical role that keeps the gears of many businesses running smoothly. Dive into the world of remote data management and discover the efficiency and flexibility that await you. Number 7. E-commerce virtual assistant. Last but certainly not least, let's explore the world of e-commerce virtual assistants. As online businesses continue to thrive, e-commerce entrepreneurs are seeking virtual assistants to help manage their shops. From order processing to customer service, this remote job allows you to play a crucial role in the success of e-commerce businesses, all while working remotely. It's a behind-the-scenes job that has immense potential and might just be the remote opportunity you've been searching for. Imagine being the backbone of an online store, ensuring that orders are fulfilled, customer inquiries are promptly addressed, and the virtual shelves are stocked and organized. As an e-commerce virtual assistant, you'll be the unsung hero of the digital marketplace. The remote nature of this job not only provides flexibility, but also opens up the possibility of working with e-commerce entrepreneurs from different corners of the globe. Your employer might not want you to realize the significance of e-commerce virtual assistant roles, but the truth is, it's a career that allows you to directly contribute to the success of online businesses. Dive into the world of e-commerce support and explore the remote opportunities that await you. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. 7 secret remote jobs your employer probably doesn't want you to know about. Whether you're seeking flexibility, a change of scenery, or just want to escape the traditional office environment, these remote opportunities are worth exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more wealth-wise insights. As we wrap up, remember to stay savvy, stay wealthy, and embrace the endless possibilities of remote work. Until next time, this is Wealthwise, signing off.